going to do a fairy house today. Let's see who we got. Oh, hello. What's your name?
Charlotte.
Oh, Charlotte. What are you going to show us today?
Today we're going to make a fairy house.
Oh, and how do we do that?
Well, first what you'll need is you'll need some sticks, stuff that you'll find outside.
Uh-huh.
Moss.
Oh, cool.
And I found some nuts.
Oh, I guess you have to use your imagination when you find things. Is that correct?
Like flowers, little mini butterflies. Well, not like little butterflies, but like little mini ones that you can buy at the store for maybe.
Yeah, maybe you've got these things around your house. Just look around and see what you got. So, what are you going to do next?
So I just found a couple sticks and stuff.
Uh-huh.
And then some pine, and then you can make it look like in a corner of a box that it's the fairy's house.
Oh,
Like a
that's
teepee.
cute.
You can add pine.
Add extra. Yep. Very cool.
And for stuff like this, pine, I think this is pine, you can poke it in the ground and then make it trees.
Oh, it's its own little tree.
You can make gigantic trees.
Oh, how cool. Oh,
I think I'm going to make this a little small pine tree.
that's cute. Oh.
What you can do with this wood is you can make it break off a little bit to make it look like a path.
Oh, nice.
And then you can put it in.
That looks great.
You can also add little fairies
Oh, yes.
that you can buy at the store or something.
Mm-hmm.
But we don't have any right now.
You could probably find something in the woods that looks like a fairy.
Like little acorns, maybe.
Yeah, you could do that. So, that looks great. Are you going to put anything else in there?
I'm probably going to put the
Oh,
butterfly.
that's so cute.
I think this will be a table.
Oh. Inside the house. You really got to use your imagination. Cute.
And you can dig up some moss and grass from your yard.
Mm-hmm.
And
Like these,
put
those light green things, those would make good bushes.
in moss.
Yeah.
I'll fit it in. I'll just put it here.
That's so cool. Well, thank you for joining us today, Charlotte. Thank you for making this beautiful fairy house out of things that we can find around our house, backyard, mostly backyard, hopefully not in your house. Well, thank you, Charlotte. Have a good day, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.